Let's give you a quick peek of the radar. Latest radar, the green pattern shows the area of rain, and what you see over New Jersey is what we call a dry slot on the weather radar, and that's passing over us now, so we have a little break in the weather. But Washington, D.C. has changed back to snow. They were rain. Winds are coming around the north, so that's why we have a blizzard warning still in effect for the tri-state area. We have about a foot of snow on the ground now. Could go up to 2 feet overnight as we get the backwash of this storm as it's moved out of the Chesapeake area and begins to accelerate towards the Boston area overnight. Matt?
Joe, thank you very much. Sit tight. We'll be back to you in just...
Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions. Regional forecast. Your local 36-hour forecast.